Mim?
Oh, continue.
Yeah, continue.
Yeah, just my content, is just knowledge based, and I think that that's a good for my brand.
Okay.
I'm not necessarily looking to do videos of myself doing things.
Okay.
I don't have time. But
something. Just wait. Hopefully you can see my pages. This is our agency space, Outsourcing BD Institute, and here you can see. Okay. This one, our agency space, and you can see just this is me, and this is my another team in my lab room. Okay.
Very nice.
Also, here is lots of another proof. You can visit our website pages or YouTube channel. This guy from UK, and he work with us. Okay. This
nice.
One also, yeah, and this one also. Okay, this is my another team members. This is another client from UK. This is my whole team members, and hopefully you can see this is another client. They are also from US and UK. You can see there is lots of proof. This is my another team members.
Another cake.
Yeah. Okay, in my office. Okay, they are working together. Okay, on our lab room. Okay. Also, you can see there is lots of client from all over the world. This one from this is another. Okay. Hopefully Rajendra work with you perfectly if you give us a chance to work with you. This one also from USA. This guy. This is this guy actually from Pakistan, but he lived in UK. No, okay. Okay, this one. Also, there you can see lots of. This is my class recorded video, where online classes by using Zoom. Okay, almost join in a same time 900 to 1000 student at the same time. Okay. Okay. This is a big agency in Bangladesh. This one also from UK. There is lots of client. Okay.
So what are you proposing you would like to do for me? I mean, you got my attention because of YouTube. For these clients, do you do all social media? Facebook, Instagram?
Yeah.
Do you create content, or you just take the content I have and optimize it?
If you want to give us your content, then there is no problem. We can optimize it accordingly. Also, if you want, we can make your content by using our knowledge. Okay, according to your targeted subject or targeted audience.
Mm-hmm. Because I don't know. The content that I have is content I like. It might not be, trending very well, but
ma'am, just wait.
I feel like my brand is to be knowledgeable and
recording in progress.
I'm going to record it to show you. Okay, please.
Okay.
Please.
Hold on, got it.
Yeah, please, Mim.
Oh, continue.
Yeah, continue.
Just my content, is just knowledge based, and I think that that's a good for my brand.
Okay.
I'm not necessarily looking to do videos of myself doing things. Okay. I don't have time, but